Hello and welcome to the channel, Easy Digital Art. Here I use office shapes to create art and I use them in presentations as well. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Q&A slide in PowerPoint. The Q&A slide is going to have some animation. So let's begin. I'm going to go Insert, Shapes, Text. First one's going to be a Q. Gonna give it about 120 for the font, I believe. And I'm just going to change this to Arial black. Since we have a lot of room here, I'm going to make this bigger. Say 200. And we can probably do everything on one text box. I like to do it sometimes in separate text boxes, but that's okay. Q&A. And for this, maybe change the color, make it more positive or brighter, let's just say that. Like so. Make this a bit smaller. A little bit of trial and error here. All right, and then shape format. No outline. Okay, shape fill. No fill. Okay, that's center. I'm gonna go shape. Text box. A question mark. Let's say bold. Arial black. 150 maybe. 150. The shape format. I would want to have the outline black and then the interior of it maybe like so. And then I'm gonna have to go weight. Kind of see it there. Maybe a little bit less. Like that. Okay. Now for all of these you can also just wait. I don't know if I shape fill. I don't know if I took that out yet. Take that out. Take out the outline. And I'm going to go shape effect. Actually, I'm going to go here. I'm going to go into the text. And I'm going to go bevel. Let's make it round. Go here actually. That's the best place to do it. And go 3D format. Okay. I'm going to give it a little bit more weight. Say 10. And I'm going to give it some shadow. You can do it here or you can do it in the text up here. You can do it here. Shadow. Give it some shadow. Same thing with this thing. I'm going to give it, you can do it here. Shadow. And then here we're going to make it round. And again, 10 point. Just to give it some 3D effect. Okay, so that's good. This thing, I want it to go around like this, I guess. This is going to be a slide at the very end. You don't want to put it at the very end where they ask a question that you can't answer. So you want to end up, like they say, you want to end off strong with your presentation. So put the Q&A maybe 3 or 4 slides in and then finish with the rest of your slides. After the Q&A, put your key takeaways last, maybe the solution as well, solutions. If you look at my presentation playlist, it has about, it's going to have 6 parts so far, and it talks about every section in your presentation, what you should have. All right, so we're going to go animation, and I'm going to select, I'm going to look for it here, a shape. It's going to be, I'm going to try this one, this shape. Okay, so there's its shape, and you can make it bigger like that. You grab the corners or the movable parts to it. So I don't know, let's just see here how this will go. We'll go animation, and then an animation pane, and then let's see what it does. Probably have to click it. Okay, I'm just gonna go escape. Then I'm gonna go into the animation pane, and I think let's just see here. You can start it with a click. You don't have to. You can say start with previous. You'll probably start when the slide starts. So I'm gonna have to slow it down a little bit as well, I think. You can repeat it. Maybe 5 times. I'll just say that. Okay. So if I have a slide here, let's just say new slide. Put it here. This will be one slide, and then if we go here, and then you click to the next slide, this is how it starts, and then you can ask people for questions, and you can just have this keep on playing if you want, or just can have it go around 3 times, whatever. But it gets people's attention, and that's key in presentations. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, please subscribe. Have a great day.